Alright, let's test this sucker out. No. Alright, I fixed this thing. I didn't see the cones that you can kind of see in there. Right there. Those cones right there. I didn't see them. So I messed it up big time. But figured I had to fix them. What we need is a flathead screwdriver. And something to fit in there. I used 1/4" extension. That worked just fine. So you know the videos on them, but it works on the cheapy Harbor Freight one, the $5 one. Anyway, compress, put your thumb over that right there. You turn that a little bit and push it out from the bottom. And the spring will come out. Alright, release, and everything should drop out, all the guts, barrel and everything. And now you have all these parts. These two make the cone. They grab onto something. That goes right after the cone, and then you got your spring, and that holds the whole shebang together. So you take the two pieces to make the cone. Like so, you'll have that right there, like a indentation right there, the larger end. Now the trick is dropping it in together, which I did right there, and then drop that end, with the flat part facing away. Drop that back in, drop the spring in. So then you take the tool, compress, lower it in there, and you have to uncompress until you see a hole that this needs to go back through. So that's where the other extension bar, anything that'll fit in there to compress it, goes. You compress the spring till it goes past. Actually, I need to adjust that a little bit. Don't mind the ice cream truck outside. Alright, compress it so that the spring goes past, and this flat side will go facing the spring, but I just have it face away the time being to get it in there. Just as you're pushing this, you release the spring. You gotta kind of work it in there. Work that post back in there. There we go. Just twist until it gets in there. There we go. Now you see the flat part is there. So turn it around until it faces the spring. You have that hole. And now it won't come back out on its own. And then if you look in there, the cone, yep, the cone is in the right place. The ribbed parts are facing each other. So then just compress, put whatever piece you need back on, and you're all set. Thanks for watching, like, subscribe, and all that jazz.